Today, guys, we're reading The Dead Bird by the author of Goodnight Moon, Margaret Wise Brown. Pictures by Christian Robinson. Okay. The Dead Bird. I like the fact, dude. The whole cast. The bird was dead when the children found it. But it had not been dead for long. It was still warm and its eyes were closed. The children felt with their fingers for the quick beat of the bird's heart in its breast, but there was no heart beating. That's how they knew it was dead. And even as they held it, it began to get cold, and the limp bird body grew stiff so they couldn't bend its legs, and the head didn't flop when they moved it. Sheesh. That was the way animals got when they had been dead for some time. Cold, dead, and stone still with no heart beating. The children were very sorry the bird was dead and could never fly again. But they were glad they had found it, because now they could dig a grave in the woods and bury it. Then they could have a funeral and sing to it the way grown-up people did when someone died. So they took it out in the woods, and they dug a hole in the ground.
Look at how the birds are attending the funeral.
So sweet.
I know.
They put warm sweet ferns in the bottom of the grave, and they wrapped the bird up in a grapevine leaves and put it in the ground. Then they put more ferns on top of it, and little white violets and yellow starflowers. Then they sang a song to it. Oh, bird, you're dead, you'll never fly again. Way up high with other birds in the sky, we sing to you because you're dead. Feather bird, and we bury you in the ground with ferns and flowers, because you'll never fly again. Again in the sky, way up high, little dead bird. Birds are attending the funeral. Then they cried because their singing was so beautiful and the fern smelled so sweetly and the bird was dead. They put dirt over the bird as they sang, and then they put more ferns and flowers and a gray stone on top of the door. The fox stood. On the stone they wrote, "Here lies a bird that is dead." Why is this book? It's small to be sad. Puppet maker. Okay. Around the stone they planted white violets, plants, and wild geraniums. Only the geraniums faded. Beautiful. And every day until they forgot, they went and sang to their little dead bird and put a fresh flower on his grave. The end. No. The reason I like the dead bird is because it's just like teaching you a lesson that stuff you love will go away and come back. So yeah, I'm trying to teach a lesson, but okay, bye.